We meet all sorts of people on the show, but all of them seem to have one thing in common. They work hard to bring us the best food we can possibly have. Up in the hills of Dryden at Triple Tall Orchards, this is no exception. Here, the Tall family is working hard to grow delicious pears. Although Eldon Tall didn't start out farming, he's been doing it for a while.
I grew up near Seattle, and I wanted to get out in the country and do something in farming. A friend of mine had an apple and pear orchard in Kashmir, and he said, "Why don't you buy an orchard?" And I thought, well, I never thought of that, but maybe that'd be a good idea.
My dad's 78 and he still works 6 days a week out here. He always wanted to be a cattle rancher, but decided pears was the next best thing.
Eldon's son John owns the property with his father. Pears here are incredible for a few special reasons.
This is one of the best pear growing regions in the world.
You can grow apples a lot of places, but to grow good pears, it takes certain things. And we have the soil, the water, and a lot of sunshine, and it just is a premier pear growing area.
Now, orchard foreman Guillermo is going to show me how to properly pick pears. Show me how to pick a perfect pear.
Yeah, just you can pick two at the same time.
Oh
Just go like this. Eh?
Oh
Pretty
my
easy.
goodness.
You
Oh, easy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start with one.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like
Yay!
that. Yeah. When I started over here, working over here, I was pretty young. I was maybe like 30 something.
Yeah.
And right now I'm 71, I think.
71.
I'm not so sure. Around there. You can keep working.
Keep going? All
yeah,
right, yes,
you
sir.
better. You better do faster.
Okay. I don't know if I can be as fast as
I'm
you.
just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's okay.
Very gently,
Yeah.
because I don't want to bruise.
Yeah, no, we don't want it.
My little picked
Yeah.
pears. Going to market.
Next time you can come early and work a little
Come
longer.
earlier and work a little longer. Yes, sir. After all my hard work, the Talls were kind enough to leave me some special treats. You know, I can't believe the bounty of all this wonderful food that the Talls have left for me. Where's a nibble buddy when you need it?
That's all you had to say. That's all you had to say.
Good to see you, Tomas.
You too.
Look at this. Can you believe it? Pear cake,
man, look at
fresh Bartletts.
And who says we don't have fun on this show?
You know, they've been talking about how buttery, how juicy, how sweet these are.
And these Bartletts, I mean, they're classic for a reason.
They are.
Look at this beautiful pear bread. Now, who made this?
Mrs. Tall prepared this for us. Well, I thought it was me, but I guess it's now us.
Well, you know, all good things are better shared, right?
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. That's delicious.
I hope I'm doing this as daintily as Christy would do it.
Nah, we just go into it. It's about having fun here.